How to download your business taxpayer QR code in MyInvois Portal. First, ensure you are in your MyInvois Portal. Step 2. Click your profile at the top right corner. Then select Switch Taxpayer. Step 3. Choose your company from the drop-down list. Then click Switch. Step 4. Your portal will refresh and your company profile will appear at the top right. Step 5. Click View Taxpayer Profile to see your company's QR code. Step 6. Click Download to save and share your QR code with your suppliers. If your taxpayer details change, remember to regenerate your QR code for the latest information. And always use the production portal when downloading the actual QR code for sharing. Streamline your e-invoicing process today.